We're putting our VGT Turbonator against the stock VGT Turbo. This race pairs these two trucks up in our parking lot of our warehouse. There's not much runway, but we're going to be able to see how this big 66 turbo spools up against this little stock turbo. This is a Turbonator S366 VGT ball bearing turbo, which means it has a 66mm compressor wheel, but it's also a VGT that has stator vanes that allow it to act like a small turbo on the low end and to adjust and act like a large turbo on the top end, and everywhere in between along the RPM band to adjust accordingly to the most efficient setting. This also has a ball bearing center section, which allows for the wheel to freely and effortlessly spin to quickly spool up. Seeing that this track is less than 300 yards, we're going to get a very unique opportunity to see what the spool up time between this big 66 and this little stock turbo are. Both of these trucks have stock fuel. The 2014, however, does have a tuner on it, but for the purposes of this race, it's set to a stock fueling tune. Sure, we want to see which truck wins, but the real intent here is to not build up boost before we take off. When we're told to go, that's when our feet will hit the pedal.
3, 2, 1, go!
So in this race, obviously the 66 and the 2014 beat the 2024 that had the stock turbo. But what we really wanted to see and what this showed us was a head-to-head comparison taking off. How well this larger turbo did against the smaller stock turbo. And what we saw was this large 66 VGT ball bearing turbo was able to spool up as fast or faster than the stock factory turbo.